Hey guys, welcome to my bathroom series part, I don't know. I am basically just trying to film as many videos in a natural light as I can because, as we all know, natural light is just the best. And the makeup looks completely different in a natural light rather than me using the studio lights, but hey ho, I live in Scotland, so most of the time it's dark in here and natural light is barely existing, so studio lights it is, but not today. Okay, this video, let's do this. I'm gonna be creating a makeup look using the Mina, the 24-hour eyeliner sticks. I stick it. I actually did the swatches and like unboxing video already. It's on my socials and I did I think like a shorts video for YouTube as well, and you guys asked for a tutorial using these, so let's do that. I'm gonna do quick swatches once again for you who haven't seen it, so let's try all of the shades again. The shade 880, 791, 137, like a mustardy shade, 814, so a metallic shade. Yeah, it is metallic. 505. Ooh, loving this. Okay, let's create a makeup look using these. Really don't know what look I should go for. I think I might try to do this. Go all the way through with 791 and then outline with a yellow shade. I forgot to mention, it has like a little sharpener at the end in here, so you can properly sharpen the pen to make it more, precise. It's brand new, so it's sharp enough. Okay, let's start. Just gonna go all over, as I said, and fill in. It's literally like a pen. My god, it's so easy to use. Okay. Let's line how high we want to go. I hope you guys see what I'm doing because I have a mirror in front of me. Okay, I'm gonna do this. And then just fill in. And then I'm gonna outline with the yellow. Alright, so I'm just gonna sharpen the yellow one as we're gonna go more precise. I'm just gonna outline this. I'm gonna use Mina Definition Mascara for this look, not the brush. Okay, mascara is done. Let me quickly do the rest of my face and I'll come back to do a finished look. And I'm back, guys. Okay, makeup is on. I think lower lash line, I'm just gonna go with this mustardy yellow shade. Waterline as well. Okay, bit of mascara and we're done. Gotta use the same mascara. And we're done. What do you guys think? Yeah, what do you guys think of this look? As I said, I just went with the flow, had no clue what I'm doing, but I kind of wanted this, stronger colors because it's summertime, so like, why not, right? These 24-hour eye sticks, oh my god, you guys, so super easy to use. I didn't even use a brush actually. No, I lied. I actually used the brush after I applied the foundation to fix around, just because I applied foundation. If I would have foundation first prior to doing eyes, then I wouldn't even need the brush. Like, wow. And the swatches that I did on the hand, that was a nightmare to wash off. So we'll see how it's gonna come off the eyes. I'm sure we'll need to use for the eyes my Bye Bye Makeup Beauty the makeup removing pads, because otherwise I don't think this is coming off. But it's amazing because I have hooded eyes, so normally any cream product would crease already. It's just sitting there, like you guys see, didn't crease at all. Thumbs up for me, for sure. Will you be getting it? If so, which shade? I think the shade can be used as a lipstick as well. It actually can. Let's just try on the top. I mean, I have a lipstick on, you know, why not? Oh my god. It's a nice shade. Hey guys. I think this looks amazing as a lipstick. Loving this, literally loving this. Okay, it's gonna be for the lips, monochrome look. The lips and eyes are the same. That sounds good, don't you think? Let me know in the comments down below what you think. I think I have a discount code for this as well. If so, it's gonna be in the description box below. If you enjoyed watching this video, as always, please don't forget to press the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more, leave a comment down below, let me know what you think, what you would like to see next, and I shall see you very, very soon. So thank you so much for watching and bye. Have a super day, guys. Ciao.